Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use the CityTouch app. First, download the app from your device's App Store, available for both iOS and Android. Once installed, open it and create a new account using your email address and a strong password. You'll then receive a confirmation email. Click the link inside to verify your account and complete the setup process. This ensures your profile is secure and ready for use. Once logged in, you'll see the home screen, which acts as your central hub, showing important updates and quick access buttons. To find something specific, simply use the intuitive search bar located at the top of the screen. You can also tap on your profile icon to manage your personal information, adjust notification settings, or customize your app experience to better suit your needs. The CityTouch app makes completing tasks straightforward. For example, to submit a service request, navigate to the Services section, choose the appropriate category, and fill in the required details. You can then easily track the progress of your request right from your dashboard. The app will also send you real-time notifications, keeping you informed about any updates or changes to your submissions. To get the most out of CityTouch, enable location services for tailored local information and alerts relevant to your area. If you encounter any issues or have questions, check the comprehensive FAQ section within the app for quick answers and troubleshooting tips. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, make sure to check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.